Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video in this JavaScript series. In today's video, we're going to learn what if-else statements are in JavaScript. So, what are if-else statements? They allow your code to make decisions. Just like in real life. If it's raining, take an umbrella. If you're hungry, eat food. These are decisions based on conditions. JavaScript works the same way. Let's dive in. The if statement checks if a condition is true. If it is, the code inside it runs. Here's a basic example. Let's say we're checking someone's age. If the age is greater than or equal to 18, JavaScript will print a message like "you can vote." If it's not, nothing happens. So remember, the if block only runs when the condition is true. What if the condition is false? We can use an else block. Now, if the first condition is not true, the code inside the else block runs instead. It's like a backup plan. If not this, then do that. What if you want to check more than one condition? That's where else if comes in. JavaScript checks each condition from top to bottom. If marks are 90 or above, print grade A. If not, but 80 or above, print grade B. If that's also false, check for 70 or above and print grade C. And if none of these conditions are true, we can add an else block to handle everything else. Like printing fail or showing a custom message. The first condition that turns out to be true will be executed. Once JavaScript finds a true condition, it skips the rest. Inside the if you can use something called comparison operators. These are symbols used to compare values. Let me explain them in a simple way. A double equals sign checks if two values are the same. A triple equals sign checks if the values and their types match exactly. A greater than symbol checks if one value is larger than another. A less than symbol checks if one value is smaller. A not equal operator is written as an exclamation mark followed by an equal sign. It checks if two values are different. A strict not equal uses an exclamation mark and two equals. And checks if the value or type is not the same. You also have greater than or equal to. And less than or equal to. Which check for both equality and comparison. Here's a quick example for logic. If a variable called as logged in is true, you can write a condition to show a message. You don't need to compare it manually, because it's already a boolean, true or false. So, writing if is logged in is enough to make a decision. And yes, if we add an exclamation mark just before is logged in, it will flip the value from true to false. And that's it. You've just learned how to use if, and else statements to make decisions in your JavaScript programs. This is one of the most important parts of any programming language. Because smart programs must respond to different situations. In the next video, we'll learn about the switch statement, which is another way to handle multiple conditions but in a cleaner and more organized way. See you in the next one.